Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570. This is just an experiment. I'm going to try something a little different for you. As everybody knows, I'm into RC cars as well, so we'll just get started with that in a moment. that's just a little bit of what I'm doing. Those that may or may not know, I do RC cars as well. I mean, it's sometimes I just do it to come out here and relax, but this is my course I'm working on. I have hills, roads, hill climbs, all these rocks. I got roads go down through here, they go through here, and I'm building structures, putting structures together for climbs, and eventually I have a trail system over here, and there'll be things going off and on through the trail system I got going here. So I own the woods, so there's trails on both sides. But I just thought you guys would like this quick little video. I hope you do anyway. I'm experimenting as always, so if you're new to my channel, as always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on my next ride or whatever. This is Trail Rider sign off, saying goodbye and God bless for now. Just in case you're wondering what this is a Red Cat Everest Gen 7 with I got aluminum drive shafts, I got different spools in it, different steering spindles on it. It's got, this is a sport, so I put inner fenders in it. I got some other stuff. Then on the roof I have actual, this is aluminum jack, a kinetic rope, which actually is a rope. Then up front here, this is a winch, and it's an actual functioning winch. It actually works. Aluminum beadlock wheels with Super Swamper tires. I have a fuel tank, bend the back bumper. It's kind of dusty because we just got through running it, of course. A little gas can up there, spare tire. But that's, oh, I did change the steering servo. I put a high-tech in it because the one that comes with it is a piece of crap. So I did change the steering servo out. But if you're wondering, that's what I have. Then I have my axial Capra 1/18 scale sitting here. Then up here I have my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle truck, which is, I have a video out, it's on this channel. Then over here, this is my Tamiya high lift, and yes, that does run. So I have a few things around here. And of course, hidden behind all them rags is my Cessna Skylane airplane. So that's just an idea of some of the stuff I have. Oh, back there I got a XC1 Capra as well. So that one's all built aftermarket. So that's just some of the stuff. So I'm out of here for now. See you in the next video.